Hi YouTube, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video. That's because I've been at holidays in Austria and also because I had 3 busy weeks at school and stuff, so I didn't manage to make any video again. But anyways, I wanted to try this new technique that Tosin Abasi uses from Animals as Leaders. I don't know if you know the band, but I freaking love him. It's the first time I tried this technique, and also I was like, yeah, you know what, it's my first time, but I will try to make a song straight away. I didn't practice a lot, so it's a bit messy, but still, I hope you enjoy, and I will try to upload some more, like weekly videos. Okay, anyways, enjoy.